Horses out, we have Lara Downs. Fast to begin, moving up on the outside now, Mo Wanna Belay. Si Bessie is racing in third and followed by Magdalena in fourth. Moving up, Monde Star, Sharon's Rose down on the inside, Gran Excess. Then followed by Gusto Ko, Happy Ka, moving up on the outside, Plenty of Grace and Baby Jade. Lara Downs by about 3/4 of a length. And on the outside, second is Mo Wanna Belay. 4 lengths away in third. Moving up now is Magdalena. Monde Star in fourth. Down on the inside, Pepsi Basi. Then followed by Gran Excess. Sharon's Rose. Then followed by Plenty of Grace. Gusto Ko, Happy Kai, and Baby Jade. We've got Lara Downs and Mo Wanna Belay fighting it out for the lead. Racing in third, Monde Star. Then followed over now by Plenty of Grace, Gran Excess. Moving up down on the inside is Ibasib. We've got Mo Wanna Belay this time by a length and a half. Lara Downs still in second. Closing now in third is Monde Star. Then followed over by Plenty of Grace as they come down to the last 150. And it's still Mo Wanna Belay by about 2 lengths. And in second is Monde Star. Lara Downs moving up in between horses is Plenty of Grace. But it's still Mo Wanna Belay by about 5 lengths now. Monde Star in second. Gusto Ko, Happy Ka. And finally it's Mo Wanna Belay. Gusto Ko, Happy Ka. Then comes Monde Star. Close. Plenty of Grace. Lara Downs.
9 horse. Mo Wanna Belay.
Siya na yung